The music industry is about to change in ways that we could have never imagined, and it's all thanks to AI. Think about it, AI can write a song for you in seconds, in the style of Max Martin, one of the world's most famous songwriters. It can produce that song in the style of Rick Rubin, mix it in the style of Bob Clearmountain, and master it in the style of Bob Ludwig, all within a matter of minutes, and it won't cost you a dime. It's like having Salvador Dali paint a picture of you, but instead of the real thing, it's done in the style of a great artist. But wait, doesn't this raise a ton of copyright issues? Well, not really. As long as you use the term in the style of, there's no problem. It's like having Guthrie Govan play a guitar solo in the style of B.B. King or Robin Ford. No copyright issues, no licensing fees, nothing. And now we're moving into a new era where AI can replicate someone's life's work in a matter of seconds. It's like asking for a script in the style of Mr. Beast or lyrics in the style of Eminem, and voila, it's there. So, the big question is, can AI take over the music industry? The answer is yes. It's already happening. Bass players are being replaced by keyboards, rendering so much work out of the hands of real bass players. And now, with AI, we can produce as much new music as we want, in any style we choose, following and dictating trends at the same time, all without fees, royalties, or artist breakups. But, this doesn't mean that the music industry for humans is coming to an end. Human connection and performance can't be replicated by AI. And as music becomes more accessible and easier to produce, branding and marketing around it will have to improve. It means a stronger connection with your audience, more relatable music and lyrics, and better marketing. Right now, AI is not a threat, but rather a tool to help speed up the process and improve the areas where you need help. It's an opportunity to build your brand and spread the word about your music. So, don't be afraid to delve into the world of AI, because it's going to blow your mind.